QNT at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a bounce to the upside and has managed to break above our key area of resistance above the 110.87, flipping it back into support. And now all I'm watching is whether QNT is going to continue holding above that line of support for us to continue expecting higher prices. Yesterday we saw a break to the lower side of this ascending trend line, which was the first indication that we were going to see a bit of a short-term breakdown move over here, which played out, giving us a significant low below the 108.45. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the possible scenarios that we need to expect here on the QNT chart. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And zooming out here on the 4-hour chart, from the lows we made on the 17th of May, I have been observing an ABC corrective structure to the upside, where you can see that we got that initial bounce in the formation of that wave A, so a pullback in the formation of the wave B, and then finally saw the formation of the wave C to the upper side, giving us a high above the 120.1 mark. And after completing that ABC corrective structure, I was expecting a bit of a pullback to the lower side, and the minimum pullback target areas were given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the lows we made in the formation of the wave A to the high of that wave C. And on so doing, the area that I was paying attention to was between the fib level 0.5 and the 7.8, and that was between the 104.85 and the 96.1 mark, an area within which you can see that we got a pullback into. We formed a double bottom, which is a bullish pattern that breaks to the upper side, and we finally saw the breakout to the upper side, fully maximizing the minimum target areas above the 118.75. And since we didn't quite fully maximize our minimum target area over here, we ran the risk of getting one more breakdown move to fully maximize that target area before we can continue pushing higher. That is the first case scenario that I'm observing. The second case scenario is that we could continue pushing higher, and the moment we manage to break above the significant highs we made above the 120.1, flipping that key area back into support, maybe with a retest, then that will be enough confirmation that we found a low above the 103.29 mark, and a more bullish case scenario is unfolding. But if by any chance we continue seeing the formation of higher lows over here, then it is most likely that we are going to get one more breakdown move back into this yellow target area to fully maximize the area before we can attempt another bounce back to the upper side. And on the worst case scenario, if by any chance QNT breaks out of this yellow target area to the lower side, then I will be watching for lower prices to the 90 USDT mark, where we can find support and then attempt another breakout scenario to the upper side. So for now, we need to pay attention to two key areas over here. The key area of support above the 110.87, because the moment we lose that significant key area of support, then we can watch out for lower prices. And the moment we manage to break above the 120.1 USDT mark, then that will be a bullish confirmation that we are going to continue seeing further upside here on the QNT chart. So for now, let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.